Good morning, all. We open with 10-6, all things volume today. All things volume. Okay, 10-6, we're talking volume of prisms and cylinders. Let's open with a rectangular prism and very basic length times width times height. So we're going to go 10, 12, 8. So the volume of the prism, very simple. 10 times 12 times 8, we're going 960, all calculator business, CM3. Okay, all things cubed in the world of volume. Jump to 2, volume of a cylinder. Notice these beautiful drawings, all hand spun, by the way. No straight edge in the house, all freehand. That's how you do it, people. Volume, cylinder, let's go to work. Let's plug in what we know. It's pi times the radius squared times height. So basically the area of a circle times its height, pretty simple. We're gonna go volume equals pi times our radius, 8, times our height of 12. Go to work. If I multiply 8 times itself and times it by 12, I get pi times 768, which is 2412.7. 2412.7. And again, we are in cubed world. Okay, CM3. Okay, so pi times the radius squared times height. Pretty simple stuff. Let's talk the effect of change in dimension. Let's go back to number 2. There it is. Let's go back to number 2, and let's cut the dimensions of number 2 in half. So now my radius is 4, okay, and my height is 6. Okay, let's plug and play. So if I say pi times 4 squared times 6, okay, that's going to give me pi times 96. Now, let's see what happens. If my first, I'm going to leave it in terms of pi because it'll be nicer to work with. If my first volume was 768 pi, and my second volume is 96 pi. Nice to work with in terms of pi, because these guys will just cancel, you know what I'm saying? And I get 96 over 768. 96 divided by 96 is 1, and 768 divided by 96 is 8. So by changing the dimensions, radius and height, by cutting them in half, the actual volume of the second figure is 1/8 the size of the first one. Anyway, change in dimension. Something to look at. We'll see if you work on it. All right, one done.